Frequency of cleaning. Frequency of cleaning means number of times cleaning is done of a unit in given amount of time. For example, if you are cleaning a room once in a day, then the frequency of cleaning would be once a day, 7 times a week, 30 times a month, 180 times in half year, and 365 times in year. Cleaning frequency depends on many factors such as level of soiling, amount of traffic, number of employees, and type of surface, hotel policy, and cleaning standards. A hotel must prepare a book or manual describing the SOPs and frequency of cleaning, and the same information may be displayed in all housekeeping pantries. Hello friends, I am Naveen Chahal and our today's topic is frequency of cleaning in hotel housekeeping. We divide it into 3 categories: daily cleaning, periodic cleaning, and special cleaning. Daily cleaning. This category consists all those routine housekeeping operations which are performed on day-to-day basis. That's why also called routine cleaning. These tasks are not limited to guest rooms. All public areas and F&B outlets need to be cleaned before the operation starts. This includes cleaning of guest rooms, bathrooms, toilet cleaning, cleaning of floors and floor covering in all public areas and back areas, and so on. Second is periodic cleaning. In addition to routine or daily cleaning, a housekeeping attendant has some tasks which are time consuming and not possible to clean on daily basis. Such tasks may also require assistance of other attendants or housemen. Some of the periodic tasks such as cleaning of outside windows are outsourced. These tasks are further divided into weekly cleaning and spring cleaning. Weekly cleaning. As the term implies, these tasks are carried out on weekly basis. Here is the example of some of routine tasks performed weekly. The above cleaning schedule is just an example. You can plan housekeeping tasks as per your requirement or type of soiling or according to areas. Spring cleaning. These cleaning tasks are carried out monthly, quarterly, half-yearly or annual basis. Many areas are left behind in daily and weekly cleaning which are covered in spring cleaning. Spring cleaning is done in all back and public areas. Some of the usual tasks performed in hotels are on your screen. These tasks are supervised by housekeeping supervisor and a report is prepared to check the progress and to identify the areas which are left behind. Next is special cleaning. These cleaning are mostly occasional. There is no fixed time to clean these areas, such as cleaning a room after it has undergone major renovation, partition of a room, cleaning a room after preventative maintenance, etc. Apart from the above, 2 special type of services or cleaning is provided in guest rooms. If you are an hotelier or hospitality student, you must be aware about evening service and second service. Evening service. It is the service provided in guest room in the evening to prepare the room for the night sleep. Instead of complete room cleaning, little touch-up is provided to all areas used by guests and replenish supplies. We also turn one corner of duvet so that guests can easily sleep in for night sleep and place the pillow horizontally. That's why it is also called turn down service. It is provided only in occupied rooms. If you want me to make a detailed video on turn down service and how it's done, comment below. Second service. Second service is cleaning of guest room second time in a day. In all hotels, guest rooms are cleaned at least once in a day. The first cleaning is called first service, but some guests may require to clean their room again after giving the first service due to some reasons like party in a room. The first service is always free, but hotel may charge for second service. Well, here is the summary of the video. If you like the video, do hit like button and comment down below for any doubt or suggestion. Also subscribe Hospitality Broadcasts and to receive notification hit bell icon. Thank you for watching.